Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem which says we're having trouble finding that site in Mozilla Firefox. So I've got a fix for this. First, open your start menu and then type ncpa.cpl and open this. Once you open this, right click on your Ethernet, disable this and then enable it again. Then go over to your Firefox settings, click on settings and then click on privacy and security. Then scroll down and here you will see increase protection. Just open this arrow button and then click on Cloudflare and then click on next DNS. Then restart your PC and then restart your Mozilla Firefox again. After that, you'll notice that your problem has been solved, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.